Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about the preamble of the Constitution. Here you will observe the text of the preamble that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic republic, and secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and the political liberty of the thought expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of the status and the opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So here is a real description of the preamble, and the next one, the ingredients of the preamble: source of authority of the Constitution, nature of the Constitution, state, objectives of the Constitution, date of the adoption of the Constitution. So here are mentioned some 4 types of the ingredients. Next, the keywords in the preamble, that the certain keywords: sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, and the fraternity are explained as follows. Sovereign, here are the meaning of the sovereign. Sovereign implies that India is a dependency nor a dominion of the other nation but an independent state. The next one is the socialistic word. Before this word did not mention in the Constitution at that time the Constitution was framed. This word is added by the 42nd of Amendment in 1976 after the first emergency was declared by the Indira Gandhi. So this word is a socialistic word. The next is a secular word. This term also too added by the 42nd of Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. The next is a democratic policy is stipulated in the preamble is based on the doctrine of the public sovereignty, that is possession of the Supreme Court by the people. Democratic means direct democracy and indirect democracy we are having in India. The next one is republic. A democratic polity can be classified into the 2 categories: monarchy and the republic. In the monarchy, the head of the state, usually king, enjoys the hereditary position, and the republic means the term republic in our preamble indicates that the India has an elected head called the president. He is elected indirectly for a fixed period of 5 years. So India is a republic country. Next is a liberty. The term liberty means the absence of the restraints on the activities of the individual and at the same time providing opportunity for the development of the individual personalities. So we are hearing the liberty word. The next one is we will study about the equality. Equality means the absence of the special privileges, special authority or powers. So India is a free and fair country. Equality before the law, according to the Article 14, provision of the discrimination against the caste, Article 15. In a fundamental rights, we will for the 14 to 18 years, that is regarding the equality. Next is a fraternity. It means the brotherhood. Constitution promotes the feeling of the fraternity by the system of the single citizenship. I have told you in the features of the Constitution that we learn this word, that is single citizenship. So fraternity, there is a fraternity. So here we have discussed the preamble, and the next we will study about the significance of the preamble. What is the meaning of the preamble part of the Constitution? So this is the important thing. Take care.